Now I've got an entire herd of horses. I've got to think of something to do with them. So like I say, all three of those came from exactly the same piece of cuttlefish, the same mould, and it's just been poured into it multiple times, and then each time the mould's broken down a little bit, so we've been getting less and less detail, but it's still come out pretty good considering. Hey, it's Make It Month 12, and I hope you liked that super quick introduction just to whet your appetite about different options for casting. Obviously, if you want to give any of them a go, it's just a little taster. There's loads of resources out there in books and online that will help you get into things a little bit more in depth. But for just now, just a little recap, we had a look at just melting silver as an introduction to make balls and blobs of silver, which you can solder onto things as little embellishments. And then we had a go at rudimentary casting, which is where you can carve shapes out of a charcoal block or something similar. And then we looked at cuttlefish casting and made things like these little horses from that, and sand casting, where we made acorns. My students have also been doing a lot of wax carving and sending those wax moulds away for casting at the minute, so I'll tag some photos of what they've made, and I'll show you some samples when mine come back from the casters as well. So there's loads and loads and loads of different options of things that you can do. Like I say, some of them are quite organic, like the water casting and the spaghetti and the lentils that we had to play with, whereas others give you quite a good accurate result. So there's this little one that I've made into a necklace, which I think looks like a sand dollar, so those shells that you get, but it's actually a button, so that's come out quite nice. Or like with the acorn, here's my little acorn at the end of my 100-day project that I made. So there's lots of options that you can have a play with. I really hope you've enjoyed 12 months of metal. I've enjoyed making it, and I'll do something next year. I haven't quite decided what yet. I've got a few ideas in the back of my brain, and I will do a few more tutorials as time goes on. But for the meantime, I hope everybody has a wonderful Christmas break and everyone gets to put their feet up and relax for a little bit and eat far too much food until you feel sick. But anyway, Merry Christmas everybody. Hope everyone has a happy and brilliant new year, and I'll speak to you all soon.